Good morning students, this is second class on estimation. In this class we will solve these questions. The question is estimate each sum to the nearest 10, also find the actual sum. So first let us find the actual sum. The given question, this is the first question. First we have to find the actual sum. For the first column, for this column 7 plus 8, that is 15. So we will write here 5 and the carry is 1. For the next column, these two, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus carry 1, that is 9. So here will be 9. So this is the actual sum. Now we have to change the given number into nearest 10, then we will find the sum. So for the first question, for this one, for 57 the nearest 10 is 60 and the nearest 10 for 38 is 40. So if we add these two numbers, then we will get 0 plus 0, that is 0. And the next one, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10. So this is the answer, 100. Now let us solve this one. The given number, first one is 350 and the next one is 275. So first let us find the actual sum. For the first column there will be 5. For the next column there will be 12. So we will write 2 and carry 1. For the next column, this one, there will be 5 and 5 plus this carry, so there will be 625. This is actual sum, but we have to find the sum of these two given number after round off. So first we have to round up the number 350. This one 350. So if we round up 350 to nearest 10, then we will get 350. And if we round up this one 275 to nearest 10, then we will get 280. Since at the place of ones there is 5, so we have to increase the tens digit by 1. Because of that we have increased 7 to 8. So after addition we will get 0 plus 0 and 5 plus 8 is 13. So there will be 3 and carry 1. And the next one, 5 plus this carry, so there will be 6. So 630. This is the answer. Now the next question is this one. Estimate each sum to the nearest 100, also find the actual sum. For the first question, this one, this is the first question. First we have to add column wise. So 5 plus 9, this one will be 14. So we will write here 4. And for the next column, this 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus carry 1, that is 10. So we have to put here 0 and carry 1. Again 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus this one, so there will be 9. This is the answer. 904 is actual sum. For the first one, for this one, the number is 225. If we round up this number to nearest 100, then we have to check the digit of tens. That means this one is 2. 2 is less than 5. Since this 2 is less than 5, so we will not change anything. We will put at the place of ones and tens 0. So the round of number for 225, there will be 200. And for this one, 679, again we have to check the digit of 10. This one, there is 7 and 7 is greater than 5. Since this 7 is greater than 5, so we have to increase this one by 1. So at the place of 6 there will be 7. And at the place of ones and tens there will be 0. This is, now we have to add these two. If we add these two, then there will be 0, 0 and 9. This is 900. This is the answer. Now let us solve this one. Estimate each sum to the nearest thousand. Also find the actual sum. So first let us solve this one. First let us find the actual sum. To find actual sum we have to find column wise all this. Okay, so for the first column there will be 9 plus 6, that is 15, and 15 plus 3, 15 plus 3 is 18, so there will be 8 and carry 1. Now the next column is this one. 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus carry 1 is 16, so we will write here 6 and carry 1. Now for this one, this column, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3 is 15, so 15 plus this carry 1, then there will be 16, so we have to write here 6 and again carry 1. Now for this column, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus this one is 16, so we have to write here 6 and again carry 1. Now if we add this column, then 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2, that is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7, so there will be 7. So this is the actual sum. Now we have to round up the given numbers, then we will find the sum. For the first one, this one, we have to round up this number to nearest thousand. Now we have to round up this number to nearest thousand. To round up this number to nearest thousand, we have to check the digit of hundreds. At the place of hundreds there is 8 and 8 is greater than 5, so we will change this 1. That means we have to increase this 2 by 1. So now there will be 3, 3 and 000, 1, 2, 3. Like this one, we have to check the digits of hundreds. Since the digits of hundreds for the next number there is 4, so we will not change anything, but we will put zeros at the place of ones, tens and hundreds. So for the next number will be round up to this one, this is, and for the last one, this number, again we have to check the digit of hundreds. Since this 3 is less than 5, so we will not make any changes, so we will write the round up number like this. This is, so this is the round up numbers. So we have to add all this. For the first column this is, for the next column this is, for the third column this is. Now for the fourth column, 16 and carry 1, and for the fifth column there will be 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So this is the answer, 76,000.